Yo, what is up, guys? Good morning. It is day 12 here in Australia. Yeah, we are now here in Port Stephens because I'm gonna ride some camels and all. You guys wanna see? It is a huge sand dunes over here, guys. It is so huge. It is so good. And let's just see right over there. The weather is kind of gloomy. It's kind of cold, but not really that cold. This is called the Ruby Point, as you can see over there. The Ruby Point. Those are the sand dunes, guys. The beach. Oh my gosh, we are excited to ride some camels. Feel, man?
I'm feeling excited to ride a camel. Yeah.
Camel too.
I've been watching you. Just come to
Sure, what is up? We are back here in the train station. So we are now going back to Sydney. The train is like 3 hours or so. So I'll just get some sleep and eat some guavas. What's that? Guava. Sure, what is up, guys? We're now here in Sydney in the Zeus. Yeah. So we're gonna have dinner. Yes, and because we're very hungry, it's already 7 p.m. So come on, guys, let's feast. Ciao, ciao, ciao.